Okay, are you ready for the good stuff? Are you ready to have some fun? We've been at it a while. And I don't know about you, but I'm ready to upload some files. I'm ready to get this thing done. Hey, so this is a real book of mine. I mean, it's short and all, but I'm ready. I use Findaway Voices. If you'd like me to convince you to use Findaway Voices instead of ACX, let me know. It won't take me long. No, it's really Findaway Voices is basically going wide distribution as opposed to ACX, which is Amazon, which is Audible, which is, I think it's Amazon, Audible, and Apple. I think that's it. I can't remember. But it's limited. And you do get 40% commission, whereas with Findaway, you get 25 from Audible. So just to be clear, you get less money from Amazon, but your book is wide and in a gazillion more places with Findaway. So that's a whole different discussion. I'm a huge fan of wide, partly because I live in Europe, and Amazon is not as prevalent, and Audible is definitely not as prevalent here for audiobook world. There's a lot of players in the market. They're up and coming, and they're going at it, and it's good news. It's really good news for us authors. So to back up, I'm at findawayvoices.com, set up an account. It's free. In progress, I'm going to do a new project. Ready? Here we go. Let's see. So I want to sell an existing audiobook. I am ready. Next. Title of your audiobook. This fun part is good, I swear. Here we go. Did you read all this? So, see, this is exactly why I love them. So, added Anyplay and Papaya FM as new distribution options. Great. Whatever they are. But that's great. They keep adding stuff. Here, increase the royalty rate from 45 to 50. I can go with an increased royalty rate. They also added new parts. Bookmate, BookBeat, XCL, Bocus Play, Audiobooks Now. Whatever. It's all good. So, for more. I mean, they just keep adding people, whereas ACX and all that, it's just the same thing. Sorry, I'm totally biased. If you are good with going ACX, you go. But I'm going to talk about Findaway Voices here. And did you read all that? There we go. I read it. I'm going to agree and continue. Now, subtitle. What was my subtitle? I can't remember. I'm going to go over my handy dandy vellum. Get my book. What was my subtitle? I can't remember. I mean, I can remember, but I don't want to type it. There we go. Is this part of a series? It actually is, but I don't know the series name yet, honestly. That's ridiculous. I don't know what to do. Maybe you can help me. It's shorts. They're short books. So I don't want to do it because I don't want to mess up and make the series, longer later. Tell us about it. You know what? I'm going to go to Amazon real quick. And because I don't have my description. So by the way, the stuff I'm doing right now, you could do all in advance and you could be more organized than I am, right? So you go for that, and then you don't have to watch me skittle through this stuff. But I'm just going to, in fact, you can change all this stuff later. With Findaway, you can change stuff. I mean, they do say have, there's some limits to the number of changes you can make and stuff over. You can do it once a month or something like that. But basically, I just want to get this up today. I want to get it done. I want to show you how to do it. So here we go. There, just put in my description. Yay. Sure, it could be better. Publisher, I use Repossible. Authors, this is me. Narrator, hey, that's me too. There we go. Additional metadata, unabridged, language, English, keywords. Okay, so this, I should probably pause. Add these one at a time. 906 characters. So what's this? What do they say? What's this? Keywords. Okay. Keywords can contain 500 characters, including commas and spaces. So basically, this is, I want to do this right. So I'm going to pause here for a moment and get this done, and I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, I just put in a bazillion keywords. I just pasted from actually several of my books and got that all in there. And how do I make this go away? There we go. And what else we got? English, awards, classification, fiction or nonfiction. That's kind of interesting. You know what? I don't know what it is. God, what is that book? Grade level. I'm going to say adult. Oh boy. All right. Wow. I am also not, this is not going to be a course on keywords or the BSAC, BISAC, whatever this thing is. So I'm going to pause again and do this, but I really want to walk you through this. So here we go. All right, we're back. I'm trying to fill out this stuff as best I can without boring you and wasting your time. I chose some BSACs, whatever they are, travel, humor, ISBN. So I couldn't find well, there's not audiobook ISBN, but then the ebook ISBN, I wonder if it is that ebooks version. So I don't have a retail ISBN. I mean, I have the ASIN. I can put that in. I don't know if that's going to mess me up. You know what? I'm just going to do it, whatever. Oh, no, please validate. Okay, that's not going to work. That's fine. I don't have a retail ebook. Sales date. Has this audiobook ever been? Nope. Street date. I never understand this. Street date is the date your officially comes available. Well, whatever. Release date. I mean, can I do earlier? There, a few days earlier. Whatever. Source copyright year. 2020. That would be me. Oh, come on. Hey, we're live, people. What do you want? 2020. There we go. Price. Now, this is price. This is interesting here. So they give you calculate your recommended list price. This tool, length of the, check back. All right. So let's do that. So retail, I'm going to come back to this because it's going to want the, can I not go back yet? Oh, drag and drop. Oh, PNG, really? Let's see, because I just made one. Let's see if my JPEG works. Okay, there we go. Terrible cover. I need to redo that. All right, I did save. We're going to go back to that later. Distribution. Here we go. I am a fan of these guys. I want Voices Plus. I want everything. Watch. Look at this. This is Crazy Town. This is every place your audiobook will be. Super fun. Yay, thank you. No. Currently titled, currently claimed and or distributed through ACX. No, it's not. So this is awesome. Ebook on Amazon. Oh, that's nice. So where's my ebook on Amazon? I think they will then sort of connect it, you know. So let's get the ebook here. Get my URL of the ebook. Let's clean that up a little bit. They never like all that craziness. Make it clean. Don't need any of that. And there's my nice short URL. Great. There we go. Great. Yay, we're allowed to distribute to Audible. Cool, right? There we go. So see this, you can make changes. I think it's like once every 30 days. Great. All right, so we are not currently with ACX, but we want to be. This is the Amazon book. Great. We want to do with everybody. Great. Do I save somewhere? Audio. All right, here's the fun part. Ready? Okay, MP3 or FLAC. Blah. Here we go. I don't want any notes. Yes, I'm sure because I'm uploading these myself. All right, here we go. I'm going to get this out of the way here because there's my MP3 files. And now I want this, right? So I'm just going to make it drag and droppable here because it's fun. Opening credits. Okay, so this is just one little thing. Remember, opening credits. There it is. I drag. It plops in. Yay. Here we go. Total runtime, 16 seconds. Front matter. This is epigraph, dedication, preface. Drag, drop. Okay, now see the order, 2, 3, 4. So they talk about here how you order your files is how your audiobook will play. Findaway Voices will publish your audiobook in the order arranged here. Okay, there we go. So body matter. These are the chapters. Chapter 1 through 13. Drag. There we go. So see, it says file 5 doesn't matter. That's fine. Back matter. This is stuff like the afterword to the end. Oops. Oh, maybe it wasn't done with this one yet. Okay, there we go. Back matter. There's the back matter. Closing credits. That's basically like this has been Pasta Sour Cream narrated by Bradley Charbonneau. By the way, if you didn't notice, we're having fun. This is fun. This is the fun part. Retail sample. There we go. Okay. Let's double check. We have retail sample. Yep. Closing credits. Yep. Aren't those titles nice? Back matter. Afterward, about, also bought, whatever. I mean, also by the author. The end. Great. Then we have all the chapter titles or the headings. Now it does have that file in there. And delete. Okay. Okay, I can drag and drop the order. Like see it say, oops, that's actually in a different place. I can move it just like that, but I don't want to. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Great. We have epigraph, dedication, preface, and opening credits. We are done. Total runtime, 35 minutes, 49 seconds. That's a short, but submit audio files. And believe me, we're not done. I want to go back to the project list. My audio is locked in. So final review and submission. Remember, we haven't set a price yet. So I got my cover, got my title, got my description. Here we go. Series name not set. I'm going to do that later when I figure out what the series is going to be. So here we go. Price not set. Ready? Let's go do that. Retail ISBN. No, I want price not set. Okay, so it jumps us back to here. Now this is what's kind of cool. Because now it's kind of cool and also kind of weird. So calculate your recommended list price, okay? So based on the category and the time. So what is this? I mean, I should probably know my book. I mean, usually I'm self-help. So that would be $2.95, $4.95, $5.95. Okay, so minimum recommended, Findaway Voices recommended, maximum recommended. Okay, so 0.6 hours long. Great. So this is ridiculous, but what is my book? It's fun, it's funny, it's humor. Is that fiction? It's kind of fiction, but it's not. It really happened. I don't know what to do. All right, this is important, clearly, but you know what? I'm gonna call it. It's not fiction. It happened. It was like a Larium dream. I'm going with this. Okay, here we go. For a self-help book, the library price. We recommend this or that. Okay. Sorry, I'm clearly not done with what this book is. It's it's not really fiction. It's just funny. I'm going to say self-help, but you know what? I did the other thing. I did comedy and travel or something like that. So be very competitive with your prices for maximum revenue on every sale. You know what? So this is kind of interesting because the libraries and all that, they use this different pricing method where I've heard just go higher with the library stuff. So let's continue on. There's my pricing. Set my prices. Great. Thanks. Save changes on my prices. We're good. All right. Let's see if we're done. We have a copyright year. We've got a street date of, that's today. That's funny. Well, you know what? It's not really available today because that's today. It's not going to be really here. What's a fun day? I should do the 29th and then I'm totally going to do the 29th. Isn't that like 1 year that it's the 29th? It's a leap year. Fun. I'm doing that. All right. Clearly, I've thought about this. I don't know the ISBN library stuff. I don't know any of that. See, here's what I did my primary. I did humor topic, and it could be self-help and humor, right? Travel. Maybe I should do here. Essays, travel logs. Maybe I should do here self-help. You know what? I'm going to do happiness. Personal growth, happiness. Can you tell I wing things? Can you tell? I mean, are you with me? All right, we got English, we got unabridged, we got Be Possible, we got me, we got author, we got narrator. I've got this description, which could be way better. It actually is part of a series. I've got a subtitle, title, Pass the Sour Cream. I can change all this stuff in a month. There's my awful cover. But you know what? I want to get this thing done. All right, there we go. Let's see, we got distribution. I'm going to Voices Plus. I'm going everywhere. Yay. Audio. I just checked all that. Submitted. Opening, chapters, afterward, closing, retail. Great. Overview. Cover, title, subtitle, description. Author, narrator, publisher, series name, series entry. Don't know yet. Do that later. Wide variety of categories there. Crazy keywords. Distributing to all these places. Great. Giveaway codes. This is for later. This is super cool because it's not yet published. Giveaway codes are awesome. We can get into that more later, but you can give away your free book. Review and submit. Ready? Review your book. There's my cover. There's my stuff. Everything keyword. Look at that. Look at that. Submit for publishing. Ready? 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 Go. Boop, ba-da-doop, boop, ba-da-doop. You know what I like doing? I like doing me a bit of screenshot because we're done. There we go. I just did it. I just submitted Pass the Sour Cream. Hopefully I spelled it right. There's my screenshot. I'm going to save that one. There we go. We did it. We just published our audiobook. And hopefully that made some sense. And hopefully I'm still recording. Am I still recording? Good. Sorry, this last one was a bit chaotic, but as you see, there's a lot of elements and I needed to pause and keep going. But we did it and I really wanted to do it. And it's noon the next day. I've got it done. So that took me 24 hours, but don't forget, I'm building a mini course as I publish my book. So I would be curious to know how long it takes you to get this stuff up. But as far as I'm concerned, we are done. Got the book up. It's going to be live in a matter of days on some sites, and some are a lot longer, and you'll get all kinds of notes from Findaway Voices. But we're good. Now, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go take a chapter and put it on a podcast episode because that's just how I roll. And now I've got MP3s to share with the world. All right. This has been Bradley Charbonneau. We just got your book up on Reaper, through Reaper, up to Findaway Voices, and with our friends at Second Opinion, and Ophonic Leveler, and all these wacky stuff, and XLD, and to make waves from MP3, stuff you'd never thought you'd even say. And now we've got our book up on a gazillion platforms. I'm Bradley Charbonneau. I'm the creator of Audio for Authors. I hope this has been helpful. I really wanted to get this Reaper stuff out, and I did. Let me know what you think. All right, connect.